Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Yunani and I am part of Logistics of Oil and Gas, Department Energi and Mineral Polytechnic PMAK Migas Cepu. Indonesia today, I am here to provide you some analysis of determining cost of product and the application of cost plus price methods in ordering natural gas sale prices at the Gundi area of Pertamina Asset EP for Field Cepu in Sumber Village, Kradenan, Subdistrict, Blora District. Let's get started. For introduction, this is the research location of Gundi Pertamina Asset for field of CPP production to supply gas village source. The first one is for PM gas well. There are two in the Balon gas field. The second one in Semanggi field, which produce around 1,035 million standard cubic feet of gas per day. The last one in CPP production field Gundi Pertamina EP asset for field Cepu. Next is define the problem and importance of study and objective. The composition of the gas used for the development of the Gundi area network in Sumber Village, Kradenan District, Blora Regency. Here is the table list of gas composition average percent mole in accordance with Article 22 and Article 23 PP number 55 of 2005 concerning balancing fund. For PNBP, they are natural gas for producing Regency city and natural gas for producing province. Natural gas for producing Regency city, they are province, district, or producing province, district, another city. Natural gas which producing province, province, district, another city. Next is the number of households that already continued gas and network installed. For gas flow capacity for 7,364 residents and 1,841 households in Sumber Village. Sumber Village consists of 4,564 residents, 1,141 households, and 817 network that have been installed. Total demand plus minus 0.611 MCFD. On the other hand, in Mojorbun village consists of 2,800 residents, 700 residents, and has installed a network of 600 families and gas line. Total demand 0.480 MCFD. For method research, cost plus pricing method with full approach, costing with the following stages. The first is literature study of the pattern used by companies with the full costing method in calculating or determining the cost of goods manufactured with related function. Study the literature on the pattern used by companies with the full costing method in calculating or determining the cost of goods manufactured with related function. Then consultation with expert practitioners from Pertamina Asset for Sumber Village official and Blora Regency government official. This is for result and discussion. As you can see here, this is the rate for natural gas use based on the basic electricity rate. Next, CPP natural gas production process in Sumber Kradenan include manifold acid gas, removal unit, caustic treater unit, dehydration unit, and metering. The calculation of the price of natural gas central processing plant CPP in Sumber Village, Kradenan sub-district based on a full costing approach. The activity-based costing, the component that appear the metering and regulation station regulation system or labor cost for production in extraction system amounting to 105,288,572 rupiah. 7% of equipment and maintenance costs equal 7,355,200 rupiah. 12 month equals 613,694,600 rupiah per month. And for the maintenance fee is equal 15,973,987,140 rupiah. It is assumed that each year 3 is an inflation of 3.5%. This table shows the total expense in two scenarios. And this one is output capacity of the extraction charge system. Based on the information that has been explained, it can be calculated that the cost of good HPP natural gas is calculated by dividing the total expenditure by the capacity of natural gas that can be produced within a period of time according to the existing scenarios. From the table, it can be inferred that the proposed system only needs 5% of this amount, so that the amount used is 8,500 meter cubic per day. Below show the amount of natural gas capacity and its time period, namely the hour, day, month, and year. Tracing the capacity per period of time is carried out to determine the capacity of natural gas. So it can be known the CUGS in unit of rupiahs per cubic meter. Thus the IPP of natural gas is determined by adding up the IPP of natural gas from the scenario. After the cost of production is obtained, the amount per meter cubic is multiplied by the capacity per day, then the CUGS per day for each product. Next is the total CUGS and natural gas. So the cost of natural gas product that can be produced by Central Processing Plant CPP in Sumber, Kradenan Subdistrict is scenario 1 of 5,771 rupiah per meter cubic and scenario 2 6,731 rupiah per meter cubic. This is the sale price by company and by cost plus pricing method per 1 meter cubic of natural gas in scenario 1 and scenario 2. For the conclusion, the cost of natural gas production at Kundi CPP4 and the determination of the cost of natural gas based on recalculation by researcher. Scenario 1 is 5,771 cubic meter. The difference is 1,521 rupiah or 1.36%. Scenario 2 is 6,731 cubic meter. The difference is 2,481 cubic meter or 1.58%. The cost plus pricing method uses the cost factor as the basis for the calculation, so it has to be recorded all the costs required during the production process. If this goes in continuously, especially in the sector, especially in the industrial and electricity sector, then the subholding gas PGN company that carry all the implementation of government assignment will suffer losses. So that's all my presentation. Thank you very much. I really appreciate having had this opportunity to share my idea with you.